So this is a quickie. This is me just showing you the books that we had on Kindle. It's just a different view of the books. So let's see if we can get this down. Okay, so this is, again, this is a Hicks Picks book. And this is just some of the first pages. This is a different view from how we looked at them before, but it's the same. I'm still just kind of showing you the books. Okay, the next book is the medical insurance billing. Again, this is on Kindle. If you guys don't have a Mac or iPad, you can still look it up on a search engine. Go to Amazon and then, it'll tell you that you can view the book for free. Also, don't forget, you guys can get the books from Elsevier. I've got my go-ahead to get approval for those books. But you guys go ahead and get them. I think I can get 25% off of them. Let me know when you get ready to get them. I can get the discount for you. So this is the next one, Bucks Step by Step. And this one is the ebook. You can get the ebook in this one. That's fine. I just, I prefer you to get the hard copy in the ICD-10 books. And again, I want you guys to, look through this. Look through this on Kindle because it's free. And it's not the whole book, but it is at least first 5 or 6 chapters or something like that. Okay. I don't know why this one's down here, but let me see if I can release it. Let's release that. Okay, so next one. Start reading for free. Mine is just still saying that because I've had this up since from the other day when I was showing you guys. But again, that's if you want to get the new book. That's the newest one. That's the one you're gonna get. Let me know. I'm gonna go on Elsevier, Evolve, so I can see what's the price of the books now. So I'm not sure if you guys can type in the school name or how you get the discount on the books, but I'll let you know. That's the ICD-10. That's the AMA version. That's why it looks like that. Okay. I prefer the AAPC version. You guys know that because the illustrations that are in there. The AMA has illustrations too. All right, that's the CPT. The companion bundle just has A&M updates in it, but you guys just get the new CPT. That's all you need. Okay, and again, you can go through this, and I think this is a lot of fun. You guys go ahead and go through this. Make sure you take notes when you do go through it. Okay, that's the older book, medical insurance billing. That's fine. I've seen this one on the thrift books for maybe $8 or $9, and you can use that one, so that's fine. Okay, so this is just a quickie. I just want to kind of go on and show you guys this. I'm going to put this in the files in your Teams so everyone can access this. You see, you're just kind of going through, and I know some of you mentioned, you're not that familiar with the online books. I don't think any of us are, everybody's just kind of taking something new. Online books been around forever. I mean, I think you can have the online books and you don't have to carry them around anywhere. Okay. I'm just going through. So this is in you guys' file when you get ready to look at it, okay? And this is for, those of you, I'm not sure if I'm going to put this on YouTube or not, but I do have people ask me what kind of books should they get, what kind of books should I use. Most schools, we all use the same type of books when you're doing a medical billing program. Your medical billing, you guys would use that Fordney book, okay? And again, go ahead through Kindle. You look at the first few chapters free, and You know, this is just to hold you over until you get your book. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna release this video. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Shoot me an email or shoot me a message. Because this is where you're gonna get those books from that you don't have to pay a lot of money for. If you do want to purchase one, let me know. If you get it from Elsevier, I gotta see how I get the discount from school. Okay. All right. Send me an email.